Hey everyone, it's Neil. Welcome to my office, and I've got these garden tools. I'm going to show you this. It says YL1431, but let's open this up and check these out. I think it comes with two of the same. I got a 2-pack, so we're going to check this out and show you what it is. So look at this. This is, yeah, do they look the same? Yes, both the same. Okay, so I'll show you guys what it looks like here. It's got kind of a rubber. It says rubber, so it feels like rubber. It's got a good grip. And then this is a little bit harder plastic, the green maybe. And then it's got super heavy duty metal pry here. So that'll give you the ability to really dig in there. So I'm going to use this out in my garden for digging in and planting some stuff and pulling up some weeds and whatnot, whatever I need to do. So I have a raised bed garden and I'm just getting it going. So I can't really show you too much of it in use, but I'm going to say this is super heavy duty. I mean, there's no way I could bend it or anything like that. It's really strong. So if you need something that's just going to be super strong and heavy duty, this is the way to go. And you get two of them. They are unbranded on the picture, but there is a brand to it. I just can't remember what it is, but I will have to look it up and add that later. But these are really cool. So I'm going to say this is really nice. I don't think these are going to break or anything. And it looks like it's made out of I don't know if it's stainless steel or chromed steel, but it's definitely shiny. So I'm going to say these are cool. So I'm going to say thumbs up on these. These are really cool. Can't wait to get into the garden and start using them. Thumbs up. Links in the description. Like this video. Subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back with some more reviews soon.